So welcome back guys. So in this video we are going to understand few more feature about data frame. So for this I am creating a new file for pandas. Some more features. I am naming it important feature of pandas. Important feature feature of pandas data frame. So this is the naming. First of all, we have to import the pandas library. So just import pandas as PD. So I forget S. So import pandas as PD. Now how we can create a pandas using nested list, nested dictionary. So in last video we saw that we can create pandas data frame using dictionary, and in this video we are going to understand how we can create pandas data frame using nested dictionary, means dictionary under dictionary. So what will happen when we create like this? So I'm creating a dictionary like D. First of all, you need to understand outer, always outer keys of dictionary will be a outer key of dictionary will be a column. So I want here is Hindi. I want Hindi a column and marks of Hindi. Then some students like this, RIP, RIP getting 50 marks, RIP getting 50 marks, and then in Hindi, PIR getting 40 marks, PIR getting 40 marks, Ajay getting AJAY, Ajay getting 90 marks, and one more Vijay Vijay getting only 50 marks, only 50 marks. Now for Hindi, now I want a math column, math of marks, marks of maths. So in this I can do like this. I want that PIR getting 40 marks, and RIP getting RIP RIP getting 1 marks, only 1 marks, only 1 marks, and are other records are not available for math math column. Now I want for English as well. So English. Now for this, Ajay getting AJAY, Ajay getting 40 marks, Vijay getting 90 marks, and then RIP getting 10 marks, and PIR getting 2 marks, only 2 marks. So this is my dictionary. So next from can we create data frame from nested dictionary? So just to create this, so use pd.dataframe data fr data frame, then pass nested dictionary. So D is my nested dictionary, and I am storing this object into uh, df variable, and then I want to see what will happen with df. So here you can see outer column always become outer key of dictionary always become columns. Here you can say Hindi, here is column, math is column, English is column, and inner inner column always inner key will become records index. So it is index inner keys are index and outer keys are columns. It will always follow this rule. So now you can see I passed value randomly. First I passed rip value at first place. So RIP 50, and in math I passed RIP value 1 at second place. But it is it is able to data frame able to trace the dictionary as well. Here you can see rip is in Hindi it is getting 50 marks. Yeah, it is getting 50 marks, and in math it is getting 1 marks, and in English it is getting here 10 marks. So it is able to trace the record in dictionary as well. Now let's see for Ajay. Ajay is getting Ajay in Hindi. What Ajay getting 90 marks in Hindi, and Ajay getting there is no record for math for Ajay. You here you can see there is no record for math. So that's why here is NaN, and for English it is 40. So that's how we can create math. That's how we can create a dictionary data frame from nested dictionary. So what if we want desired column? We want only that columns is equal to column columns is equal to. Now I want column of only Hindi. Sorry, I want column of Hindi. Always remember this is case sensitive, and math. That is why I am taking care of case. It M here capital. That is why I am taking M here capital. So then I want one more I want in uh, computer CUMPUTER. So what will happen then? So here you can see there is for computer column there is NaN means not a number, not value available for these records for computer feature. We can say computer attribute, because in dictionary you can say that there is no record for computer. That is why it is doing like this. And if you want to change the sequence that I don't want Hindi at first place, so you can do this by here. I want math at first place, then I want Hindi, then I want math, then I want English, English, and you have to include it with double quotes, so or single quotes. So this is how you can do this. So that this is how make we created a data frame using nested dictionary, and here you can transpose the result as well. Transpose, you I think you know about transpose. You studied it about transpose in matrix. So how it is column will become row and row will become column. So how we can transpose the data frame, or it can be a matrix tabular data. Just use dot t method. So how we can do this? This is my data frame, and if I dot I use dot t method, so it will transpose the data frame. So let's see. So here you can see our data set has been transposed. Column has become rows. Math 40, 10, NaN and NaN. So it has become like a space, then here is space, then math, then computer, then Hindi, then English. then it is like this. So now check what happened to df. So here you can see transport does not change the, or it does not change the changes permanently. It is temporary change. Here you can see there is no change with original data frame, but by transposing this we can view the data frame. So this is how we can transpose the data frame as well. One more thing about data frame is that data frame object itself and index of data frame has name attribute. So if you want to know the name of data frame, so you can do like this, df.name. If you want to know the name of data frame, so it is like this. So it is saying data frame object does not has no attribute name. Why it has no attribute name? So data frame object does not have name attribute, but index of data frame and column of data frame has name attribute. You can, if you want to see the index of data frames, so you can do like this, df.index. So this is the index, and if you want to know the name of the index, so you can do like this. So for now there is no name for index, so we can assign some value to it. So it is like student name. I can assign student name value to index name. So now you can, now if you want to see the index df, now if you want to see df, now here you can see student name is the name of index object of data frame, and for same as like index, column also have name attribute of name attribute. Column also has name attribute. So how we can say, just look for all columns. So these are the columns. If you want to know the name of the columns, so you can do like this. For now it is nothing. So if you can assign some value, it is more suitable like subject, subject, subject. Now let's check the data frame df. Now here you can see this is columns name is subject, and index name is student name, and df.name is not exist, but series.name is exist. Series object have their own name attribute, but data frame object not have their own name attribute. You have to remember this thing. And there is one more thing, you cannot change the index. Index attribute, index object is immutable. You can replace it, but you can change it. Like if you if you want to change the name of index, like here df.index, index is this, and its first index is RIP. And if you want to change it, like I don't want RIP here, I want it to RIPUN. So it will not allow, because index object is immutable. But these index can be replaced, but these are immutable. Here the error you can see, index does not support mutable operation. So it is immutable. Immutable, it cannot change. If you want to change, then you have to change all the indexes. Like you can do like this. Uh, my new indexes is like this is like A B C D. A, then B, then C, then D. And you want to replace the index, so you can do this like df dot index now equal to idx. So now you can see df indexes are changed, but if you want to change the value of index, but it will not possible. There are some index object in pandas, like first one is just index. Here you can see that df dot index, df dot index. So here you can see this index object. So apart from this object, there are many other data frames index object, like uh, like int 64 index, int 64 index, or there are many more multi index. You can search for other index objects for pandas as well. So these are some index objects available in pandas for data frame. So there is one more concept about index, that index support multiple method as well. Index methods in pandas. So here we have two data frame, df2 and df1. df. So df index is this, and df2 index is, we need to see what is df2 index. So this is df2 index, and df index is this dx. Now index objects support some methods like append method. Append method supported by index. A P P and D, A P P E and D, append method of index. So df dot index, this is our first object, first index object. Now it support append method, and we what we can append? We can append another index like df2 dot index. So it will append the concatenate the index. So how it is possible? So let's see. So here you can say index object now concatenated. First A, B, C, D, then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you see df now, so in df there is no change. And in df dot index, there is also no change. But we can concatenate two index as well. So there are many more methods. So there are many more object many more like computing the difference between this. Computing the difference means not, it is not computing difference. It is it will remove the all existing from other index. Like I am creating one more index. For this, I have to change index df2 index. So I have to change the df2 index first. So df2 dot index is now I want A, then I want C, then I want E, then I want F. So this is my index of df2 now. What happened? So length mismatch expected 5. So F and G. Okay. So now let's check df1 dot index is this, or df1 is not exist. Df1 dot index is this and df2 dot index is this. And if I want to compute the difference, df dot index dot diff uh, it support diff or not. I think diff it is not support d I, so it difference, and then df2 dot index. So it used as per scenario. So this is B and D. It removed all the existing index of data frame 2 from data frame 1. So A exists in df2, so it has been removed. C exists in the df2, so it has been removed. Now only B and D is remain. So the result of index is B and D. So there are many more methods you can search on Google to find out the answer. So I think this is enough about data frame. You understood how we can create a data frame using a nested list or using 2D numpy array or using a dictionary or using a nested dictionary. And you also saw that index attribute of data frame, name attribute of data frame index and data frame column, and the operations between how functionality of indexes and data frame and all other stuffs. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. So thanks. Bye.